And now I would teach you how to use this foam and water wax box. So we can see here are three. So this one is for the waterfall foam, and this one is for the wipe-free foam, and this one is for the water wax. So we can see pipe here, and pipe here. So this pipe is for the waterfall foam. So we just simply put this to the waterfall foam, and for this wipe-free foam, we do the same thing. We simply put this, and we do the same thing for the water wax. We put into the water wax, and we can use this to adjust the concentration. So for this, we can lower the concentration of the foam, and we press this to add the concentration of the foam. So now it's 180, and I lower the concentration, so it's 160, like this. And one thing to remember, if you use up one bucket of the foam and you need to change a new one, so whenever you put this out and put this in again, you need to make the air of the pipe come out. So you need to do like this. You spin here, spin, you see here, the air will come out from here. When you see all the air come out from here, and you see the foam, and then you can fix it. And then we need to connect the air supply, water supply, and the other stuff of the foam box. So this one, 28 water pipeline, connect to here, connect to this, and this red water pipeline connect to here, like this. And this 69 air pipeline connect to here, like this. And here is the air supply for this foam box. So this side air supply we connect to here, like this, connect to here. And for the other side, we connect to the air compressor. So for this side, we connect to air compressor like that, like this. And now we need to use this smaller water pipe to provide water for the foam box. So the water will go in here and go out here. So we connect this pipe to here to provide water for this foam box. And remember that. So this side connect to this, and for the other side, we need to put the water tank, which is fresh water, and do not use the recycling water. So for this one, do not use the recycling water. You need to always use fresh water. So usually we will provide the 2 water tank. So this one is always for the fresh water. So you need to use this fresh water for the foam water supply, and you can feel free to use this one for the water recycle system, for the recycle water, and you can use recycle water for this high pressure pump, like this.